Here's what I bought with my Sephora gift card. Potato Cotton. I love this. It's just a nice little treat. Better than Sex Mascara. Totally worth the price. I always repurchase. Dior Show Maximizer 4D. It is a primer. I got a sample of this one time and I never looked back. And these two together, chef's kiss. ABH Brow Wiz. This one's controversial. A lot of people don't like it because it does go on super light, but I love it. NARS concealer. I've been wanting to try this for a while. Shade Caramel, medium dark 2. Next up, a few samples. Sephora gave me eyeshadow as well.